today I am going to be reacting to. I made a game with infinity levels.
Game is a liar.
Stop.
I decided to enter the community game jam,
Wow.
where you have 1 week to make a game based on a
1
theme.
week? That's a
Let's
lot
see
of
if I
weeks.
can actually finish something.
You can't. I'm telling you. What's that?
At
What,
3 o'clock
7
on
days
Saturday,
left?
the theme is revealed.
The game is a liar.
The game is a liar. By the end of the day, I had a
A
lot of
what?
ideas, but nothing seemed
I
like it
don't
would
know
actually
what
make
it
a fun
looks
game.
like.
Sunday, I still couldn't think of a good idea, so I decided to just start making something and then try to fit the theme in later. Let's start by making a basic character and a script to control it.
Okay.
Our character will be controlled by a wheel,
What?
so maybe he can be some kind of robot or something.
Whoa, a game with a
Controlling the player only with
a
a wheel made
robot?
for some fun mechanics. You can't move right or left when in the air, so you have to build up some momentum on the ground first to jump onto new platforms. Speaking of platforms, I decided the game would be a platformer, but not just any platformer,
Okay.
a procedurally generated one with infinite levels.
A game with infinite
I made
levels?
something similar with a friend in high school for a project, so maybe it would be fun to do an improved
Wow.
version of it.
5 days left.
On Monday, I had classes all day, so I mainly just thought about how the level generation would work. Here's what I came up with.
Level generation? What's
First,
level
place
generation?
an initial platform,
Really, back to
then
the
choose a random
reaction.
direction to build from. If we're going to the right, pick the top right.
I paused this video because I'm so bored. Just stop. But back to the video.
Corner of the existing platform as a starting point, and then possibly shift the X and Y position some.
X?
This is the starting point for the next randomly selected platform. Continue building like this for a
Whoa.
random amount of times, performing some tests to make sure that there's
That's
no
a
weird
lot of
overlaps,
work.
and finally spawn an ending platform.
Okay. Ending platform. 4 days left?
Tuesday, I started writing the code to make this level generation system actually work.
Yes.
The 2 platforms in the game so far are regular static ground pieces, and some moving platforms that bounce between 2 points.
Okay. Like 3 days
It's
left?
already Wednesday, and I don't feel like I've made enough progress. Oh well, let's keep going and see what happens.
Okay.
The platform generation was still far from creating interesting or fun levels, so I spent some more time working on that. I at least needed to start making some game art, so I designed a little robot character and opened up Illustrator to bring him to life.
Whoa, that voice good. Good. That's cool.
Now let's rig him up in Unity.
Wow.
To finish off Wednesday, I worked a little bit more on the graphics.
Whoa.
Thursday, I made a parallax script so the background
That's
can
so
be a little
good.
more interesting. I also worked on the logic for moving between levels.
Whoa.
An ending platform will contain a transmitter, which will send the robot's data to some other location into another robot body. Also, each level can have multiple ending platforms, creating a huge tree of levels you can explore. Each level is generated from a starting seed,
What
which
is
means
a
that even
starting
though the
seed?
platforms are randomly generated,
Whoa.
everyone that plays the game will get the same levels.
1 day left.
The game is due tomorrow, and it doesn't seem close to being finished. I started the day by adding a camera fade effect between levels, and created an image for the transmitter.
Okay, what is that?
Now when you die, you'll break into pieces and inhabit the body of a new robot that spawns at the beginning of the level.
Uh-huh.
For some reason, even though at this point I have less than 20 hours to submit, I start playing around with normal maps and post-processing effects. Let's get back on track with a little animation. I want the robot's face to be a small digital screen, so I opened up After Effects and created some eye animations where each frame is just different squares lit up on a grid. It's Saturday. I still need a name for the game, a title screen, a tutorial level, music, sound effects, and definitely some more platform types.
Yes. Button play. Okay. Where's my friend Bill?
I decided to call the game Where's Bill? The robot character is looking for his friend Bill, and the lie to fit the theme is that Bill isn't actually in the game. Kind of a stretch, but oh well.
Wow.
I've never made a song in my life, so let's see how fast I can learn. I remember a Brackeys video about this program, so I'll try to figure it out. Alright, I have no idea what I'm doing, just putting random notes and listening to how it sounds. Made a new platform, Spinner. It can be an obstacle to avoid, or it can launch you up onto higher platforms.
Oh my god.
Alright, 2 hours left. I think I can add one more platform. This is just one that if you touch, you die. Yeah, my creativity is totally gone at this point. Alright, I think I'm done. I just need to find a starting seed that will generate some good starting levels. Build, test, upload, submit.
So, where's Bill? Yeah. I've never played this game. Transmit connectors. Okay. So thanks so much for watching, and that game is so cool. I've never played this game. If you watch me play this game, I will get thousands of likes. And I kind of love this game. So, bye. Subscribe, hit the like button, smack that bell, and finally, happy Diwali.